2023 is almost here, so it's time to prepare my daily companion for the upcoming year, my Hobonichi Techo book. My friend Juan gave me this Doraemon Techo for 2022, and it helped me stay organized throughout the year. It was incredibly helpful, especially when we went to France, Portugal, Germany, and Spain. Apart from the planner, Hobonichi's play notebooks and memo pads are a major component of my everyday life. Their minimal yet functional design help me organize my productively busy life. There's work, there's calligraphy, watercolor, all my creative pursuits, and everything in between. Hobonichi's books are amazingly constructed, and the ultra-thin paper they use, which is Tomoe River, is an absolute treat. This lightweight paper pairs perfectly with all kinds of writing instruments. For 2023, I decided to go back to my preferred material, which is premium leather. And that's how I got this exquisite, bespoke leather cover. My friend Gwen, who's also a leather artist, owns Block 77 and has a product line called Pagawa Leathercraft. Pagawa means bespoke. It comes from the Filipino word ipagawa, and that means to custom make. This box actually arrived from Asia via DHL last July. I kept it inside my drawers while waiting for the Hobonichi 2023 announcement. I only ordered one Hobonichi Techo A6 style leather cover, but Gwen's been so gracious to add this pleasant surprise. As a frequent traveler, I truly appreciate this custom-made luggage tag. Noticeably also is the choice of packaging material. The natural, rustic, and recyclable approach is a refreshing take on product presentation. That Bramek script called Bye-Bye-In looks so magical that I didn't want to ruin it because I rarely receive packages with that type of script. So I was very careful and decided to take the product from the side. This letter cover for Hobonichi Techo books reveals Gwen's excellent craftsmanship and pure passion for leatherwork. To say that this is both stunning and sophisticated will be a complete understatement. Now that we have our leather cover, it's time to unbox our Hobonichi Techo 2023. This box came all the way from Japan. If you're in the US, you may also explore jetpens.com for Hobonichi Techo products. I love how Hobonichi Techo team surprised me with this tote bag along with the planner or the book that I ordered. So planners are technically or generally called books, and it also came with the little memo pads that I love using for my day-to-day journaling. I still have a ton of memo pads because my husband surprised me with a box of them last winter, but I ordered some more because next year Hobonichi Techo is switching to a different type of paper which is just as good as Tomoe River. If you're a Techo user, you know the drill, but for those who are seeing this for the first time, the back part of the book or the planner explains the grid design, the arrangement of the dates and months and weeks, so everything is detailed here. So let me take this out, and there's this little sheet of paper that's in Japanese. My Techo size preference is A6. It's perfect for those who are frequent travelers like me. To complete this experience, I decided to complement my leather cover and my Techo book with a bespoke Urushi fountain pen. Let's take a look at each item before we put everything together. We have our cover, we have our book, and we have our pen. And you will see that our leather cover offers a lot of slots. This interior design for the journal is very Hobonichi. There is no one way or specific way when it comes to inserting the Techo book into the leather cover. How I'm doing it is just the classic way. My preferred method is to first secure the Techo book on the right side of the leather cover, and then add or insert a memo pad on the left side. This lettered journal cover by Pagawa Leathercraft definitely captured the snug fit that Hobonichi Techo books and covers are known for. What's left for me to do now is to secure the fountain pen in its proper slot. And that's it. We're done putting together our Hobonichi Techo 2023 book. Here's how it looks from this angle and from the back side. And quite frankly, my Hobonichi doesn't end here. I use a lot of their memo pads, as I have mentioned earlier, and a lot of their plain notebooks. Hope this video encourages you to support creative entrepreneurs in your local communities. The description box has all the info, and thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.